Welcome back to the Gadget Corner. It's the moment we've all been waiting for, the launch of the iPhone 15. Buckle up, because today we're diving into the top 5 mind-blowing changes in the iPhone 15 that you absolutely need to know. So, the iPhone 15 event just happened, and oh boy, did Apple drop some bombshells. 1. A revolution in chip design, the A17 Pro Chipset. Starting off with the brain of the device, Apple introduces its most powerful chipset ever, the A17 Pro. This isn't just your regular update. Apple is touting its new 3nm chipset, promising 10 times faster performance. But the real kicker? They're claiming it challenges even PCs. With the neural engine being twice as fast, we're looking at 35 trillion operations. From autocorrect, creating a personal voice, and more, everything is touted to be blazing fast. For the techies out there, this is massive. And for everyday users? Expect lightning-fast performance in every task, every day. 2. The camera game-changer, Tetra Prism Design. Next up is the camera, and Apple has outdone themselves this time. The iPhone 15 Pro Max is now boasting a whopping 5x optical zoom, thanks to the new lens Apple designed. Called the Tetra Prism Design, Apple managed to fit a longer focal length without bulking up the device. What does that mean for us? Sharper, clearer photos from afar, and some pretty impressive macro photography capabilities too. And hey, for those low-light shots, the new Photonic engine is stepping in. 3. The world at your fingertips, action button. Now, say goodbye to the old mute switch. Welcome the action button. At first glance, it might just seem like a button, but it's so much more. It's a programmable, solid-state button that uses haptic feedback to give you a real button feel. So, whether you want to control widgets or switch apps, this little button might just become your new best friend. 4. The display revolution, promotion and dynamic island. Fourth on our list is the display. And Apple didn't hold back. With the new display engine that powers promotion, we're promised a high-quality video experience unlike any other. And let's not forget about Dynamic Island. Previously reserved for the iPhone 14 Pro models. The Dynamic Island hits the iPhone 15 with a staggering 1600 nits HDR brightness, and even 2000 nits in sunlight. So whether you're binge-watching your favorite show or playing the latest game, the experience will be out of this world. 5. Universal charging, enter USB-C. Last but not least, Apple made a move we've all been speculating about. Gone are the days of proprietary Apple charging cables. Welcome, USB-C. This shift marks a big step for Apple, aligning with a more universal charging standard. For the users, this means faster charging, quicker data transfer, and a whole lot of convenience. There you have it, folks. The top 5 game changers from the iPhone 15 launch. But trust me, there's a lot more under the hood of this device. Thanks for tuning into the Gadget Corner. If you found this rundown helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share, and subscribe for all things tech. Stay curious, stay updated, and I'll see you in the next video.